Hey, sixth graders. To wrap things up, once you've finished all four sections, like this is just section number two, where you're analyzing the data. Once you've finished all four sections, you are going to create an explanation of what is happening based on how you've analyzed the data and how you've interacted with this activity. What is your explanation of how these trees are being affected and what's causing these deaths of these trees? Okay, don't forget, you can always go back to this activity by using the same code on the second slide and the same link on the third slide. And if you go through and click some of these eyes for more information, it's going to explain a little bit more about what this data could mean. As well as you navigate, there's going to be more explanations from the scientists themselves to help you understand how these trees are being affected. You're going to take that information and then you're going to write an explanation. Okay, looking at your sixth grade writing standards, I can see that we want you to be able to write an explanation of a topic of your choice. Sorry, I chose your topic for you this time. You're writing about trees in the Uinta Mountains. But you are going to be writing an explanation why this happens, and be sure it's right there in our standards. You're going to use information from the source, which our source is this research quest that you went through to create your explanation. Okay, how you're going to do that? Your teacher in your Google Classroom, in your classroom, has created an assignment for you. That's how you got to this Nearpod in the first place. You're going to click on the assignment. You're going to view the assignment. And where it says add or create, you are going to click add or create. And depending on what your teacher would like you to do, you're either probably going to choose a Google document or a Google Slides. They may want you to write an essay, or they may ask you to create a Google slide where you can include some images from the research as well. You're just going to click on whichever one your teacher would like you to do. It's going to create that for you right there, attached to the assignment. It's going to think for a little bit, and it'll open. You'll see it right there. It'll have your name on it, not my name. That's my name. Okay. It'll have the title of the whatever the teacher assigned or created the assignment and titled it. And then your job is to use the slides or the Google Doc if that was the case, and create your explanation. Okay. When you're done, you can just simply close this. You don't have to share or anything. You're just going to close this tab. It's going to be attached to your assignment. And when you're ready, you just click turn in. And just like some of the other assignments, it'll ask if you're sure, and you're going to turn it in. And you have completed our activity for the week and turned in your explanation to prove what grade of a writer you are. All right. Good luck.